This is the question asked in today's SkillTrack Daily Challenge. So we are given three lines of input. The first line contains the word W1 and the second line contains the word W2 and the third line contains the string yes. So the string yes is a space separated string which contains multiple words in it. So our task is to find the occurrence of W1 together with W2 in this string yes. So W1 together with W2 is a good. So we have to find the occurrence of a good in this string yes. So there are two occurrences. So the first occurrence is here. A good has occurred, and then again a good has occurred here. So totally there are two occurrences of W1 together with W2 in this string yes. So whenever we find the occurrence, we have to print the immediate next word to it. So the first occurrence is here and the immediate next word to it is girl. So we have to print this as our output. So first we are printing girl as our output, and for the second occurrence of this word good, the immediate next word is student. So we print student as our output. So this is how we get our output as girl student. Now let us see our sample input 2. So here the first word is louder and the second word is speak, and the string contains multiple words. So first we should find the occurrence of W1 together with W2. So we should find the occurrence of louder speak. So here in the string we could not find the occurrence of louder speak. We only have speak louder, but what we need is louder speak. So this is not considered. Since there are no occurrences of louder speak, we print -1 as our output. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating three character arrays named W1, W2 and yes. So we will be storing our space separated string in this character array yes. And in the next line I am accepting the two words W1 and W2. Now we have to accept our space separated string yes. Before doing that, I am going to create two integer variables named n and flag, and I am setting both of them to 0 initially. Now we are going to accept the string yes word by word, and we don't know how many words will be present in the string yes. So I am creating a while loop, and this while loop iterates until this scanf function returns 1. So the scanf function returns 1 whenever an input is received, and when the input is not received, this function returns 0. So the scanf is a function, and when no input is given to it, it returns 0. So first, in every iteration of this while loop, we will be incrementing the value of n, and then we will be checking whether we have to print the current word or not. So if we have to print the current word, then the previous word must be equal to W2 and the previous before word must be equal to W1. Only then we can print the current word. So in every iteration of this while loop, I am checking whether the previous word and W2 is same or not. So to check that, I am using string compare function. So if the string compare of n-1 and W2 is equal to 0 and string compared with s of n-2 and W1 is equal to 0, then we have to print the current word which we have accepted as input. So whenever this condition is satisfied, I am going to print the current word as output. So I am printing s of n, and also I am setting the value of flag to 1 because we have printed at least one word. So when we do like this, we will be printing the word which are present after the occurrences of W1 and W2 in the string yes. And if no occurrence is found in the string, then the value of flag will be equal to 0. So finally, after the execution of the loop, I am checking whether the value of flag is equal to 0 or not. So if the value of flag is still equal to 0, then I am going to print -1 as our output, since nothing would have been printed. Now let us check our program with sample test cases. So I have given the sample input 1 and our expected output is girl student. So we also get girl student as our output. And now I have given the sample input 2 and our expected output is -1. So we also get -1 as output. So this is the logic behind today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.